Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you a video here of a 2016 Princeton PB55.3. It has a nice tall 12-foot mast. It is showing 998 hours, very low hours. Nice rubber all the way around. Now this thing has not gone through our refurbish shop. It's not been repainted or refurbished, but we feel it was in a good enough condition to go ahead and sell it the way it is here. Even though it doesn't have the refurbished process, we're going to go ahead and back it up with an operational guarantee. That means we're going to back it up once it gets there. It's going to be the condition I'm showing you here today, or we're going to fix it, help you get it fixed. Now also we'll back up this Kohler engine for 30 days. The operational guarantee is very short term, ladies and gentlemen. You can buy this thing using the video and the pictures and know you're going to get what we're saying you're going to get. It's going to work once you get it. But once it starts up, operates the way it said, that's done. But the engine will be backed up for another 30 days. Now we've also gone ahead and changed your fluids in here. You can hit the ground running. You have new filters, really nice new tire on back, near new tires on front. Take a look at the engine bay, nice and clean in there for 2016. That's because of the lower 998 hours for the age. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up and show you how she runs. We're going to bring this Kohler engine to life, purrs like a kitten. She roared, comes to life, runs really good. Here's your mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Outriggers. Mast carriage going in and out. We'll get a little bit of operation, show you how nice, tight everything is. All your wheels are in sync. Backup alarm, you have all your lights working. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna like this baby because, as you can see, we've taken off some of the previous owner's stickers. It doesn't have the bright, shiny, brand new paint, but it's standing tall, looking good still. You give us a call at 26, that'll save you some money though, 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can also check us on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.